Alright, so with the Eyespot stand, and so you make like a YouTube, but how is it different?
We're different from YouTube in that we're based around an online video to mash up video either from themselves or from any public video on the site.
Alright, so you have online Flash-based video editor?
It's actually not Flash, it's Ajax-based video editor. Just allows you to drag and drop very simply. Earlier we shot a video on this cell phone, sent it up to the site. And there's our hero.
Alright, so you just send it and it goes directly on the site?
It goes directly onto the site.
This is a real site, it's not a fake?
Not a fake site. We might want to trim, we might have just a little bit too much of Nicholas.
Oh.
So the quality, of course, is bad because we're so blown up right now, but we might want to just take, you know, that part of it, very simply save it.
Alright, stop. And it's made with Ajax.
Ajax.
But how about the video part is Flash, no?
The video is showing in Flash, but you can download it in many different formats. You could download it in the iPod H.264, I believe, in Windows Media, in DivX, in QuickTime. We allow any public video on the site to be downloaded. You can decide to make your video private, and that's not going to happen, but we're all about people getting video from any device in and playing with it and putting it back out to any device. If they want to upload it to YouTube, if they want to upload it to MySpace, if they want to upload it to their own blog, they can do that.
Alright, so you have several output formats already. For example, this video is already in encoded in or it can be available in those other formats?
Yes, correct. So let me give you an example. So here's something from a television show that gave us something to let people mix, and I could download that in, quote, Mac, PC, iPod, PSP, or DivX, or of course, the ubiquitous embed code and permalink.
Alright.
And also I could either publish it to other video sites directly like VO or Blip TV that we're integrated with, or to my Eyespot groups, or to my Blogger account or my LiveJournal account.
Alright. So you're making like one of the top Web 2.0 video sharing websites?
Well, we like to think that we're doing a good job, but we're not really trying to be. We have a destination, but and lots of people are coming and working on it, but our business model is really providing it to other people. So we're providing a similar thing to Cyworld US, to Sony BMG Music Box. They put up several of their American Idol winners, Daughtry, Taylor Hicks, I believe. Good Charlotte will be on there as well. And we'll be doing something with the NBA in a few weeks. So there'll be basketball and music mashups available on NBA.com.
NBA?
Yes.
Alright, so there are already some phones?
Yes. So one of the things about Eyespot is you can, of course, send video to anybody, back to anybody.
On the phone number?
On the phone number. So
you have to have some money on an account to do that?
You do not. Well, I mean, you have to have your phone working. No, it is free. Yes. Yeah?
Your own phone or the phone you're sending to?
Any phone.
Yeah?
Any phone that accepts video. As you know, in the United States, we're a little bit further behind where you are in Europe with the phones.
Right. There, you just you're sending the video as a MMS message?
Not as an MMS message, no. We have had it, we've been able to do that for about a year, but this is actually through our own application, both Brew and Java application, that allows you to send much longer video files. So MMS might be gated down to just a few.
Alright, so this one wakes up when it receives a new file?
Correct.
Alright. So
there we have somebody, I believe. Let's see. It's a data connection.
Data connection? Over there is maybe GPRS or...
this is CDMA.
CDMA?
Yeah.
It's better than GPRS.
I don't know enough about that, unfortunately.
All right.
You know, and this is, of course, this is a J2ME or Java application running on HSDPA, singular network here.
All right, devices?
Well, let's see, we have not implemented for any Wi-Fi devices yet, but really the idea is any kind of, you can shoot any video with anything you want. You can shoot with your HD cam, you can shoot with your digital still cam, you can shoot with your video cell phone. I don't see why you couldn't Wi-Fi or Bluetooth anything into your computer and have that go up as well, eventually.
All right. And how about the business model for video bloggers? Do you have anything ready for them?
For business model? You mean for video bloggers to use this and make a living?
I mean, for example, everything is free on your site? Right.
Correct.
Now?
We do have plans in the future. We're doing some things with Rever. So look forward to some announcements about that, but also letting people share in an ad revenue model. So if you're a successful video blogger, perhaps they're selling advertising against it and you are getting paid that way.
You can insert the advertising?
We have not implemented that. Well, actually, that's everything we do now. There's attribution for every piece of video that you take will have attribution at the end. You can call that an ad. And we have done post-roll streaming, post-roll ads on the cell phone. And
the post-roll works on all the formats?
The post-roll is a new development video-wise. We've done it just as a screen, a static screen like Rever.
But if you download the DivX version, for example, would the post-roll be inside?
Yes, it would.
Ah, yeah, so you encode in all the formats with the post-roll and all that?
Yes, correct, it is.
So if the advertisements changes,
part of the file.
You can change the file if there's a new post-scroll that should be put in.
Yes, you could.
All right, thanks.
Sure.